Girl, I don't know who came up with this whole idea of first world, developing country, and third world, but if this is what a developing country looks like, I mean, like, seriously, like, what? What? Girl,
And
what?
I'm feeling, I love my country, this is my hometown, but I'm feeling more safe
Oh,
here.
more safe di
Okay,
Malaysia
talking
ya
about
dibandingkan
safe,
Prancis loh itu.
I'm not trying
Guess
to.
what? Malaysia
Okay.
was ranked one of the top 10 most peaceful countries.
Oh, ini ya. World Most Peaceful Nation full ranking. Nomor 10 Malaysia top 10 ya. Nomor 5 Singapura ya. Nomor 1 Iceland. Cuman dua yang dari Asia Tenggara, Singapura sama Malaysia, guys. Wow. Top 10 cuy.
Like, based on that comparison, it's so much safer. Like, it's peaceful too, you know. Like, I have peace of mind when I'm going out in Malaysia. I'm not scared of anything here.
Mantap. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Indoreact TV.
Indoreact TV.
Oke teman-teman semua, kembali lagi di Indoreact TV dan masih bersama saya Anton. Dan hari ini kita masih akan melihat video-video yang menarik tentang Malaysia. Dan kali ini kita akan lihat orang asing yang menyatakan atau memperlihatkan seberapa aman dan nyamannya hidup di Malaysia. Seperti itu ya. Dan aku juga saksi hidup lah saat waktu aku ke Malaysia itu terkesan. Memang kesan pertama itu nggak bisa dibohongi ya. Jadi waktu aku pertama kali ke Malaysia memang terkesan sangat aman dan nyaman ya. Orang-orangnya juga baik-baik semua. Walaupun baru kenal tapi mereka sudah baik banget sama aku ya. Itulah mantapnya Malaysia ya. So kita akan lihat ini reaksi-reaksi atau pernyataan-pernyataan orang asing yang mengatakan kalau Malaysia itu memang aman dan nyaman ya. Yuk. Indoreact. Oke, yang pertama ini ada dari says.com ya. Italian tourist says Malaysia feels more first world than most developed countries. Oh, dia menyatakan seperti first world ya daripada negara yang sedang berkembang ya. Wow.
Girl, I don't know who came up with this whole idea of first world, developing country, and third world, but if this is what a developing country looks like, I mean, like, seriously, like, what? What? Girl, what? So you're telling me that Europe and North America are the first world?
Yeah.
I mean, it's crazy. The fact that we're still looking at the West as the example to follow, as the center of the world, just reinforces that all the systems are built on colonialism and neo-imperialism. Girl, I don't know who...
Ini orang Italia yang ngomong ya. Ya, itu kan masih persepsi lama sebenarnya. Third world, negara ketiga, negara pertama gitu kan, itu masih konsep lama kan. Sekarang sudah dengan seiringnya perkembangan waktu ini Asia ini sudah menggeser, aku rasa ya, menggeser Eropa guys, dari kemajuan teknologi dan sistem-sistemnya. Makanya sekarang Europe itu apalagi Amerika itu semakin mengganas ke Asia kan.
This is really interesting. This cafe is right near the exit in this mall, and all the stuff is just open. For those of you who say, "Oh, it's not safe," you're wrong. It's extremely safe. This is at a busy intersection. If someone wanted to take something, they could come in here, take the coffee equipment, take all the material. Safety is a hot topic here in Malaysia, so I'm going to do a full video on my YouTube channel soon, talking all about it and my experiences, because it is one of the most important things that foreigners or tourists are interested when they come to a country if they don't know much about Malaysia. But it will shock you. It's not what you think. And I came out the exit, and there's a Lambo.
Wah, Lambo guys.
This is
Jadi dia di kafe kebuka aja gitu ya, nggak ada orang di dalam kafenya, tetap safe aja, tetap aman aja ya. Memang itu luar biasa itu. Kalau orang mau ngambil barang kan bisa aja itu, tapi tetap aman Malaysia guys, mantap. Waktu aku kesana juga banyak banget itu mobil-mobil mewah itu, aku lihat dari atas kan, hotel kan di atas waktu itu. Wah, malam-malam itu mobil-mobil mewah itu, kereta-kereta mewah tuh baru keluar saat malam mereka ya.
Saudara di sini lebih nakal daripada Indonesia. Where are you guys from? Such risk.
How safe do tourists feel in Malaysia compared to their countries? Oke, ini dari Rusia ya.
Sulawesi Tengah Indonesia.
Sulawesi, Jerman, Cina.
第一，请你的国家的大众治安，马来西亚的大众治安有什么相差之处呢？
我们国家是到处都是监控，就是摄像头
无死角，我晚上十二点就去
Oh, di Cina ya memang ya, security kamera di mana-mana gitu ya. Jadi nggak ada tempat privasinya lagi.
我们来这里的时候，很有建议，就是我们出来的时候还是要照顾一下孩子，就是自己的地方。但是很多人很热情的，就是给我们解答，就是能解答的各方面，尤其是当地的华人，是我们今天坐车来就全靠他们买那个 Red Way 那个票啊，就是还是比较友好。
Too many cultures who don't like each other. Malay, Chinese, Indian, Islam, all live together in harmony.
Saling itu ya, saling hidup dengan tentram di Malaysia, semua suku bangsa ya. Wah mantap, itu sudah dipuji oleh orang Jerman ini.
Never had a feeling being
Sochi, I think, for Winter Olympic Games, mainly this because Sochi is touristic town, same like Malaysia. It's comfortable. People are really friendly.
Kalau malam aman kalau jalan
Orang Sulawesi. Aman kalau malam.
di Sulawesi karena belum pembangunan terlalu dekat jadi rawan.
Iya, masih rawan.
Lebih nakal daripada Indonesia. Indonesia orang paham aturan. Di pengendara kereta itu jalan di trotoar itu tiba-tiba zebra cross kecang laju-laju.
Tapi nggak semua itu ya. Itu bisa diperdebatkan, ini panjang nanti jadi komentar-komentarnya antara Indonesia Malaysia ini. Oke, kita lanjut aja guys.
I didn't expect this about Malaysia. This
Okay.
is really surprised me. First, whether it's a luxury store or just a small shop, the staff are always smiling. Even if I
selalu
don't buy
senyum
anything,
ya.
they still say thank you when I leave. And second, there is security everywhere. Malls, apartments, even near the elevator. It seems simple, but it makes me feel really safe.
Ya betul.
And I feel like it
Sebenarnya
also
security itu bukan untuk apa-apa kan, memang sebenarnya sudah aman, cuman ya biar orang lebih merasa aman lagi, makanya banyak security gitu kan ya. Tapi ada juga orang berpikir, orang-orang bule itu ya, orang-orang Marsale, orang-orang Eropa tuh yang pertama kali datang ke Asia Tenggara gitu ya, berpikir kok banyak banget security, atau apakah di sini memang nggak aman. Nah, ada juga yang berpikir seperti itu ya ternyata. Padahal ya itu karena untuk menambah rasa aman aja untuk orang-orang kan ya.
Is many jobs here? I'm
Many
not sure,
jobs
I might be
too.
wrong, but that's just my feeling. I'm starting
Orang
to
Cina tuh
enjoy it
kayaknya.
here. What should I explore next?
Iya, orang Cina ini kayaknya ya. Many jobs ya, masih banyak pekerjaan yang di sana ya. Gajinya juga besar. Dibanding Indonesia, gajinya besar di Malaysia ya.
I love my country. This is my hometown, but
Ini Prancis ya?
I'm feeling more safe here.
Lebih.
What's your name?
Amina.
Oh, where are you from?
Guess where? From France.
Okay, so how many days have you been traveling here in Malaysia?
Around 4 or 5 days. This is my first experience in Asia, except Japan and Thailand, and I had high expectation about Kuala Lumpur, and I'm absolutely not disappointed. And I
mantap.
found people very smiley, friendly,
friendly,
helpful,
smiley.
and of course I love the food.
Speaking about the food, which food do you love the most in Malaysia?
I don't know the name, but I tried this. It's a little bit spicy with cocoa milk. It's beef, rice, and egg.
Maybe
Nasi lemak.
Yes, exactly. I don't know the word, but I know the taste, and it was really great.
Have you tried any France food here in Malaysia?
I tried a croissant. But
Croissant.
Disappointing.
Yeah.
Okay.
But to be honest, the croissant is never the same like in Paris.
Ya,
How do you
beda lah pasti.
find out about Malaysia?
I don't know. I think Malaysia is famous.
Most of the people only know Thailand and Singapore.
Maybe most of the American people. Sorry.
Can you tell me the different culture, France and Malaysia, that can you share?
I told you before, I live in Paris, so it's.
Tapi kalau di Paris itu ya, di dekat ini, di dekat Menara Eiffel tuh banyak pickpocket ya, banyak banyak kriminalnya. Sudah nggak enak lagi.
For example, it's more busy in Paris than in Kuala Lumpur. It's easier here to cross the streets, and people are nicer, and I'm feeling I love my country. This is my hometown, but I'm feeling more safe here.
More safe di
Okay,
Malaysia
talking
ya,
about
dibandingkan
safe,
Prancis loh itu.
I'm not trying to offend you because in Paris there's a lot of like pickpockets.
Nah, iya,
Do
banyak
you have any
pickpockets,
like something to share about that?
Yeah, that's true. If you're traveling in Paris, be careful about your bags, about your shopping bags, about, for example, when you're going on the luxury mall or something in
Okay.
Paris, they give you confidentiality bag. For don't see the Louis Vuitton, Hermes or something. When you will be outside the shop, someone will try to disturb you or maybe to steal.
Have it ever happened to
gitu
you?
ya kalau di Paris ya, dikasih bag yang nggak ada tulisannya, yang polosan gitu ya, supaya orang nggak ngambil. Itu saking banyak kriminalnya di sana ya guys ya.
Not about the shopping bags or something, but about my phone. Yes, 2 years ago, someone stole my phone on the streets.
Oh my god, that's so bad. It's okay. I hope it will not happen again. But I would love to visit Paris because I know it's beautiful there.
Paris is beautiful. The food is great. But a cliche is a little bit true about Parisian people. They seems to be cold. Not really, yeah, no smiling.
Ya memang
Don't have a
kebanyakan
reason
orang
for
Eropa
smiling,
gitu.
Don't smile on the suburb, on the metro. But if you just want to see the Louvre, La Tour Eiffel is really great.
So, because I believe you have traveled a lot. So, what inspired you to travel?
To understand that you are not the middle of the world, and some people are really different than you, and you have a lot of things to learn about the others, about the tolerance, about different culture, religions, food, languages, and yeah, I think can do that. Travel in my mind is most luxury.
Okay, thank you so much.
Mantap.
Okay, so welcome to Malaysia and have fun.
Jadi kalau di Eropa memang banyak yang orang, kalau kita senyum gitu ya, kalau kita sebagai orang-orang Asia Tenggara tuh biasanya kan senyum ramah kepada orang-orang, memang sudah jadi budaya kita kan ya. Tapi kalau di Eropa kita bawa itu jadi aneh, jadi orang itu ngerasa ngapain dia senyum-senyum, ngapain dia ya kan, memang mereka nggak biasa disenyum-senyumin kayak gitu, kayak aneh aja gitu kadang-kadang ya. Tapi intinya Malaysia lebih safe daripada Paris guys.
Hello Malaysia, guess what? Malaysia was ranked one of the top 10 most peaceful
Oh, ini ya, World Most Peaceful Nation full ranking. Nomor 10 Malaysia top 10 ya. Nomor 5 Singapura ya. Nomor 1 Iceland. Cuman 2 yang dari Asia Tenggara, Singapura sama Malaysia guys. Wow, top 10 cuy.
in the world. And you know what? It's true, and I'm so proud of Malaysia. Actually, in Malaysia there are so many races that lives peacefully together. As well,
Banyak
there
bangsa
are so many
ya.
foreigners from all over the world. There are so many businesses here, so everyone lives harmonically, peacefully together. God bless Malaysia, always, always, always. I love you. Mwah.
Jadi banyak suku bangsa di Malaysia, yang India, Cina, Melayu dan lain-lain kan ya. Semuanya hidup berdampingan dengan harmoni. Waduh, mantap cuy.
Malaysia is safe as Singapore.
Pon eksperimen, is Malaysia as safe as Singapore? Dia apain? Pon
In my first year
ditinggal
here,
ya?
something happened that really stayed with me, and it made me
Tinggalnya guys.
could Malaysia really be as safe as Singapore? Its neighbor and one of the world's
Tinggalnya,
safest
nggak ada yang ngambil guys.
So I decided to test it. I left my phone unattended at an LRT station. To be honest, I would never do that in Germany. And as you can see,
Oh, ini bandingkan sama Jerman nih.
over the years, I've realized that Malaysia isn't just safe, it's an extremely kind country. What's your experience? Please share in the comments.
Wah, ditinggalnya itu ponnya. Nggak ada yang ngambil ya. Di LRT station itu guys ya, di tempat yang ramai orang gitu. Wah, safe banget itu kalau kayak gitu. Lebih safe dari Jerman katanya tadi. Gila, mantap betul ya. Sampai orang asing sampai ngetes gitu, sampai pengen benar-benar tahu apakah benar-benar safe gitu ya. Gila, keren.
I've seen how international student life
Ini-
is in other
ini
countries.
student ya.
They're kind of scared to go out and all of that. That doesn't happen in Malaysia.
Malaysia is one of the safest countries in the world in 2025. If you're thinking of studying in Malaysia and wondering, is it actually safe?
Actually really safe. Since I started to live here, I'm like really surprised how friendly everyone is, how safe you feel, like even at night when you walk home or something like that.
According to the Global Peace Index, Malaysia is ranked number 13 in the most.
Oh, ini yang lama ini kayaknya ya. Yang tadi tuh yang top 10 tadi tuh yang baru ya. Singapura juga masih nomor 6 nih. Tadi Singapura nomor 5 kan. Malaysia jadi nomor 10.
safest countries in the world and second in Asia.
I always feel safe. In the uni, I feel safe. I never have to worry about my own safety or security.
The Global Peace Index measures things like societal safety, crime levels, conflict, and overall stability. And Malaysia scores high in these areas, which is why international students choose it every year.
It's pretty safe, it's pretty good, like no problems at all. Walking at night, it's pretty good.
It's pretty safe here. You know, I've never really felt any like danger or, you know, like I didn't feel vulnerable or anything.
Pretty safe actually, because I've had some countries to compare it to. I don't want to mention the countries, but I've had some countries to compare it to, and like based on that comparison, it's so much safer. Like it's peaceful too, you know. Like I have peace of mind when I'm going out in Malaysia. I'm not scared of anything here.
I only have one advice: just don't break any rules here. As long as you go about your day normally, you will be fine.
I mean, still in like a big city, like always watch your environment, and like some streets, of course, I feel like I should not walk through at night, but like just don't be too concerned.
Mantap. Sampai itu bukan 1-2 orang itu pelajar-pelajar di Malaysia ya merasa safe ya, merasa aman banget belajar di Malaysia. Itu kayak tadi ranking yang lama ya guys ya, yang ranking yang baru tadi Malaysia sudah top 10 ya, itu masih nomor 13 tadi. Nomor 3 paling safe di Asia Tenggara ya. Di Asia ya malahan, bukan di Asia Tenggara lagi, di Asia. Di Asia Tenggara kayaknya Singapura nomor 1 ya.
Should I move to Malaysia? We've been here 4 months. We left UK 8 months ago, so half of that time's been spent in Penang.
Oh, di Penang dia.
And it is incredible. We don't want to leave. It's got a whole I think. I don't know, it's the Malaysian way, the Malaysian people, the food, the culture, the sun. It's everything. It feels like home. And I know it's not yet. We do have a 2-year lease here with a visa that allows us to stay here for 2 years. We also travel in between
kerja kayaknya.
We left UK to travel, but we did leave to settle somewhere eventually, and we didn't think it would be that this soon. We didn't think we would just go somewhere and think, oh, this actually is perfect. And there's not a lot of negatives. I think the only negative is probably the time zone. So if you're in the UK and you like football and darts in particular, like us, you got to watch them the next day on repeat and try not find out the score, which is a bit of a killer, but it's fine. It's something I'm willing to live without. Because look at this, we've got palm trees, we've got the sea.
Di Penang dia
I
nih.
understand if you're from Malaysia, and I know that you don't want the secret out, but how can you keep this a secret? I think everyone knows now, don't they? It is an incredible country. We just made it feel like at home straight away, and I think that's what's pulled us in as well. The kindness of the people we've spoke to and met. We are friends with some of the local restaurant owners down the road. The kids are in ballet and football with locals and mixing, and I think that's great.
Jadi dia mau pindah dari UK ya. Dia sudah senang hidup di Malaysia.
It's very hard, but you know, she's young and she's got a strong mind, so she's trying to learn the language, which I think is incredible. And I think if we do stay here, it will be something that I think we'd all learn, because it's hard to top this. It is hard to top this. Just simple things like this. It's just everything. The people, the sun, the culture, the food.
Di sana kan sun itu jarang keluar.
Sure, people will disagree and they'll say, there's better places out there, but I don't know. I think if you come here, you will fall in love. You will fall in love. Should I move?
Mantap ya. Ini kayaknya dia mau pindah ini guys. Dia sudah meyakinkan dirinya untuk ya udah move aja ke Malaysia ya. Dia lebih suka dan senang dan sudah jatuh cinta sama Malaysia nih. Wah, mantap banget.
Global Peace Index ranks
ini rank
peace and livability. In this region, we are one of the most peaceful countries. We are as peaceful as Australia. Have a peace of mind to study here in Malaysia as well. In terms of tropical climate,
that peace is a big thing for some of the Americans.
Definitely,
because you know we got the guns.
We'll never get that in Malaysia. We are not allowed to carry guns anyway. God also gave us a gift. That we are protected from tropical cyclones, we are protected from earthquakes. So in terms of
nggak pernah gempa ya di Malaysia ya. Dia terprotek dia, soalnya di tengah-tengah.
Tectonic shifts all over the region, all over the world. We are protected from Indonesia, we are protected from Philippines. That's why Malaysia is considered very, very safe. In terms of measure of diversity, a lot of people might think, Malaysia is a Muslim country. We are a Muslim progressive country.
Muslim progressive country.
That we celebrate diversity. There is a study by United States, a study by Desmet et al. By the American Economic Association in 2017 that ranked and categorized the diversity all over the world, and Malaysia is one of the most diverse countries. So it means that even if you come to Malaysia, we don't ask you to change your background in terms of religious background or cultural background. You can live.
Nobody's asking
as
you
your
to
own.
change.
No, we would want you. We
y'all-
would celebrate
y'all-
your difference. Actually, we celebrate differences of them. We have a lot of churches. So we'll tell you, even if you come, we will celebrate the differences of your own background and culture, and we
And I
will
get to
celebrate
see
your
it because some of my Muslims gotta
Definitely.
stay during Eid.
Christmas is a huge celebration for us. Global Peace Index ranks Malaysia's top 13 peace and livability. In this region,
Jadi kalau keberagaman di Malaysia itu sangat dihormati ya. Semuanya boleh untuk di-celebrate kan. Kayak apa ya? Yang India tuh Diwali ya. Diwali juga celebrate kan di sana ya guys ya. Mantap mantap. Ini kayaknya ranking lama ini guys ya. Masih nomor 13 Malaysia. Tapi yang bagusnya memang Malaysia di tengah-tengah tuh. Jadi aman dari gempa gitu ya. Diprotek sama Indonesia, diprotek sama Filipina. Di tengah-tengah itu memang itu gift yang dikasih Allah lah.
Polish friends' first impression of Malaysia.
Polish itu
What
Polandia
did you know
ya.
about Malaysia before coming here?
I heard about good food and beautiful
Wah di
weddings.
rooftop mana dia nih?
Towers and beautiful landscapes.
And what's your first impression of Malaysia?
Really friendly people.
Very safe and clean.
Oh, very safe and clean. Friendly juga guys, mantap. Ini di rooftop mana ya? Ini dari kemarin aku lihat ini terkenal banget rooftopnya, ini bagus ini.
What's unique about Malaysia?
I think we share the same impression that it's very multicultural.
Multikultural.
Have you tried any Malaysian food and what do you think about it?
We tried some and it's very good. Everything is delicious.
We can't get enough, and my favorite one is nasi lemak for sure.
Nasi lemak ya.
So would you come back to Malaysia?
I think the answer is obvious. Definitely.
Yes, pasti.
Very much yes.
Nah,
Polish friends.
nasi lemak itu andalan banget ya. Pasti orang-orang asing tuh suka banget sama nasi lemak ya. Pas di lidah mereka ya. 11.30. Jam setengah 12 malam dia. Oh, dia menguji keamanannya. Naik MRT dia malam-malam. Aman-aman aja ya. Oh, ke kedai mama dia. Sampai hotel dengan selamat. Aman aja cewek ini. Everything is safe. Oke, 11.30 PM guys. Jam setengah 12 malam. Dia sendirian naik MRT, mampir beli apa tadi, roti tadi ya ke kedai mama tadi. Safe aja. Keren ya.
You know, a lot of people ask me what foreigners
get wrong about Malaysia.
Wrong about Malaysia. I tell you, it starts really fundamentally. A lot of people don't even really know Malaysia.
Yeah,
they don't
betul.
even really know the capital city. I've lived here for such a long time, and my mom is a meat and potatoes woman, but she still couldn't pronounce Kuala Lumpur. She used to call it Kuala Lumpur or something like that. You know, these are the little things that people don't understand. A lot of people, when they come here, they expect it's going to be like Thailand, or they think it's going to be somewhere in Southeast Asia. They don't realize how really modern it is, how
Betul.
clean it is, what a great infrastructure there is, what great healthcare there is, and most importantly, a lot of
Great
people don't
healthcare,
understand that it's predominantly an English-speaking country. These are the
Oke,
things that a
English
lot of
speaking
people don't
country.
understand about.
Berarti sudah diakui banget ya, English speaking country. Jadi mudah kalau orang-orang sana, orang-orang asing mau komunikasi kan, kebanyakan sudah bisa speaking kan. Keren.
Malaysia, or they don't see as being a part of what Malaysia is. So I tell you what, if you have or haven't had any experience in Malaysia, you let me know how you feel about that in the comments below.
Mantap. Oke, itu dia tadi beberapa video yang menyatakan bahwa memang di Malaysia itu aman dan nyaman, bersih dan friendly banget ya. Terbukti dari video-video yang kita lihat tadi, interview dan testingnya, pengujian orang asing sampai handphone ditinggal, cewek asing tadi tuh pulang jam 12 malam gitu kan, tetap aman-aman aja. Dan terbukti dari global ranknya ya, Malaysia rankingnya terbaru ada di nomor 10 paling aman di Asia di Asia loh guys ya. Kalau di Asia Tenggara tuh kayaknya Singapura nomor 1 ya. Oke, semoga kedepannya Malaysia tetap mantap, tetap maju jaya ya guys ya. So, nanti kita lihat lagi video-video menarik dari Malaysia. Jadi terima kasih yang sudah menonton. Terima kasih juga untuk teman-teman yang sudah support dan donasi melalui QR code yang ada di video ini. Dan untuk teman-teman yang belum subscribe juga. Jangan lupa juga di like, di share, bagikan video ini ke teman-teman kalian, ke sosial media kalian juga boleh. Mohon maaf kalau aku ada salah-salah kata dan salah-salah ucap. Sampai ketemu lagi di video selanjutnya. Akhir kata, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.